Sure. Here's a concise YouTube video script about the HAL Tejas MK2 Fighter Jet, written in paragraph format with headings, and the channel name, Bike Empire, included in the intro. This script is designed to be informative and direct, suitable for narration or text-based videos. Introduction. Welcome to Bike Empire, your hub not just for two-wheelers, but for cutting-edge technology and defense innovations. Today, we're diving into one of India's most ambitious aerospace projects, the HAL Tejas MK2. As the next evolution of the Tejas light combat aircraft, the MK2 is poised to significantly boost the Indian Air Force's capabilities. What is the Tejas MK2? The HAL Tejas MK2 is an advanced medium-weight fighter jet being developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Unlike its predecessor, the Tejas Mk1, which is a light combat aircraft, the Mk2 is classified as a medium-weight fighter, MWF. It's designed to replace aging jets like the Mirage 2000, Jaguar, and MiG-29 in the Indian Air Force fleet. Key features and upgrades. The Tejas Mk2 brings several major upgrades. It will be powered by the General Electric F414 engine, offering around 98 knots of thrust, a significant jump from the Mk1's powerplant. The Mk2 will also feature an extended fuselage, increased fuel capacity, higher payload capability, up to 6.5 tons, and enhanced avionics. Its glass cockpit, active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, and infrared search and track (IST) system mark a leap in situational awareness and targeting precision. Stealth and survivability. While not a stealth aircraft in the fifth-generation sense, the Tejas Mk2 incorporates reduced radar cross-section (RCS) features through smarter design and material use. It will also include electronic warfare (EW) suites, radar warning receivers (RWR), and countermeasure dispensing systems, making it a tough opponent in modern aerial combat. Indigenous push and strategic importance. One of the most important aspects of the Tejas Mk2 is its high level of indigenous content, aligning with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India, initiative. It reduces reliance on foreign platforms and provides a modern, customizable fighter that fits India's unique defense needs. With over 70% indigenous systems expected in later batches, it's a major step toward defense autonomy. Production timeline and future outlook. The Tejas Mk2's first prototype rollout happened in 2023, with its first flight expected by late 2025. HAL is planning series production by 2028, and the Indian Air Force is expected to order over 100 units. Its development is being closely watched as it fills a critical gap between light fighters like Tejas Mk1 and heavyweights like the Su-30 Mki and the upcoming AMCA. Conclusion. The HAL Tejas Mk2 represents a bold leap in India's defense aviation landscape. With advanced technology, indigenous design, and strategic relevance, it's set to become a core component of India's future air power.